Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Craft Imaginations. Here is a tutorial for one of my Resin Suncatchers that I did, and I wanted to show you the step-by-step process that I make. There are a few steps that I did omit, and it's my own fault for not recording. Anywho, I like to show you the ways that I like to pour in my resin. And as you see here, I pre-mix all my inks beforehand and then apply them individually. The only time that I pour ink directly into my pores is when I do the white and black. First, I like to add the white because it's the one that clouds the least, and I can see how the design is going to end up. Then I like to use the heat gun to mix it just quite a little bit and then go over with my little kebab sticks to finalize the edges so that I know that the resin is going to mix all the way through and I don't get too much empty spaces. Once I'm satisfied with the way it looks, I then go add in a little more white, and then I add a touch of black if I like my design to be darker. Sometimes for my Suncatchers, I omit the black and then just stick with the light colors, but I wanted to do a dark theme for this one. I then go over with my little kebab stick, but not too much because it will defeat the purpose of what I'm trying to accomplish. I add some resin to the top to fill the mold, and this way it can give it that three-dimensional look and also some negative space, so that when the sign hits, you can see the colors and the light shining bright, and it just makes the Suncatchers look absolutely beautiful. As you see here, I kind of plan it out just a little bit so that a little bit of clear shows through, and then I mess with it until I'm finally happy with the way it looks. And at first I wasn't happy, so I just kept adding a little more to the bigger design on top, but I decided to stop because sometimes I just work too hard and ended up messing. I just don't know when to stop. So here is the once the resin is cured, and you can see all the little veins and grains in the resin. When you don't mix it too much, you can actually see the beauty of all the colors and how they mix. You see the little veins in here? It is just absolutely beautiful. You do not need to mix your resin that much to create this look. Just let it be. Resin will be resin with alcohol ink. Just create your own designs. Don't try to control it, and it will come out just perfect. Look how beautiful the black looks against the blue. And then every single piece comes out just different. Here you can see slightly purple. And then the bottom two are a little lighter because I pour less black than I did with the rest of the other moons. And then the final piece, I believe I wanted to have less and less black, so this one I added less black. I just absolutely love the way this came out. Once I put it all together, I like to take them outside to check and see how it does with the light, and this one just did not disappoint. And I added a resin crystal at the bottom to weigh it down, even though it didn't need that much weight, but I felt like it needed an accent, and now all my Suncatchers have a crystal at the end, and that's just my signature. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.